morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, The Document. My name is Dominique if this is your first time here. And welcome to the vlog. We got another vlog going on. I don't know, I've been liking the vlogs a lot lately. So got another vlog video today. Today is Thursday, March the 16th. It is about to be 10 a.m. Your girl is fresh off of work as always. Y'all, it's been a tough 2 weeks. Like, March has been fairly busy. Last week I worked Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I was off Sunday. Then I worked Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I got off today, which is Thursday. Your girl is about to hop on a plane. I'm about to be going home. Home for me is Miami, Florida. I'm going to be going home to spend time with my family. Like, this month is very hard for me just because this is the month that my grandmother passed, and I haven't been home in about a year and 3 or 4 months now. So I'm trying to prioritize spending more time with my family just because I don't get to see them as much. I mean, we see each other, we FaceTime, we talk, but I don't go home as much as I would like to. Around this time, grief is just very weird. I feel a wave of like sadness, and I get very emotional at times, and that's been happening like literally all this week. I don't know if my grandmother's spirit talking to me. I don't know, but sometimes I just like break down and cry and reminisce on the good times I had when she was here. So I'm about to get ready to head to the airport. I guess I will be taking y'all to Miami with me. The real Miami. We ain't part of no South Beach, no none of that. We going to the Liberty City. That's where I'm from, the city, okay? So yeah, I guess I will see y'all in the MI motherfucking A.
Realist bitch, give a f about a big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my so he call it Tigger. On the scamming rich ass. Same group of no add to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your if it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. It's March 17th. We are at Hertz Car Rental getting a car rental for the weekend. And let me tell y'all how my grandma been coming through. First, well, let me say this. I'm meeting my nephew for the first time.
You want to get challenging?
Girl, hell no. Girl, I don't like them sports cars like that. I'm meeting my nephew for the first time. I blame this girl right here.
This girl right
This
here.
girl right here.
This girl right here.
I'm meeting my nephew for the first time, and he's 7 months. And she left his baby milk at home. So my cousin, she works at the post office. Why they gave her the baby formula at the post office for free? That's number one. Number two, we booked the car rental and we added on a car seat for him just because she didn't want to fly with his car seat. Okay, so she want to clarify this is her first time flying with her baby. This is his first flight. So she left most of the stuff that she was supposed to be bringing, but she left his car seat. So we rented a car seat from the rental car place, and the lady gave us the car seat for free. So I just feel like that's my grandma coming through for us, because that's not one but 2 times that the baby has not been inconvenienced. So we got a Malibu. And she putting her car seat in the car. Okay, y'all. So this is another weekend with having to leave out in humid weather. I don't know how my hair gonna hold up, but we got the car rental and we made it back home. I didn't vlog yesterday after the airport just because your girl was tired. Let me tell y'all, leaving work and hopping on a flight to come somewhere, like, I pretty much had to stay up the whole day. Like, I was taking cat naps. I was in and out of sleep all day yesterday. So, and then we really didn't even do much, so I didn't even record like that. But I don't know what plans we have today. We're thinking about finding somewhere to go for lunch. But we just kind of going with it this weekend. Whatever the things they want to do, we're participating in all the festivities, okay? Say hi, Kingston. Can you let my hair go? Say hi. Say hi. Can you stop grabbing my mouth like that? Oh my gosh. You're gonna be so bad. Say hey. Hey.
Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Dirty ass, baby girl, you need to back up.
So we're at Total Wine, guys. So we're making mixed drinks for the beach tomorrow. So we're trying to get some alcohol. Ooh, let's try the Cardi B whip shots. Really? They nasty?
They strong. Nigga, ain't they strong? What? Well, when I had them, you remember?
But why they $14? They nasty?
They not nasty.
It's strong. You could taste pure liquor on it. It's pure liquor.
It's 21.
This for 14. 14, and it tastes good.
They 10% alcohol.
Yeah,
Dang.
strong.
But that's a real creative, like.
I like it because it's a shaving that I had wanted to try. With
But
the,
that'll be good for like
Christmas time.
Christmas time, and then like espresso, like
Yeah, I know.
martinis and like
that's what I
coffee
said, it's
type
a shave.
of.
Oh my God, it tastes so good.
Yeah, y'all, these little buzz balls. They call buzz balls for a reason. These things give you a little buzz for real. These things are 15% alcohol, and they only $3. I don't know what kind of drinks they trying to make. Get some tequila. What you making? Your family like to drink. They ain't with them cocktails and stuff. They wanna.
They just want to drink up the liquor.
That's what they wanna do. Casamigos, girl. We got some Tito's. I think she's making lemon drops. Y'all, it's going on 11 o'clock, and these folks got me in Walmart trying to find the kids' bathing suits. We ain't did nothing today but drive people around.
Dominique, you talking to me?
I'm talking to my vlog.
What you say, Dominique?
We ain't did nothing today but drive you around.
Oh, why you talking about me?
Running her errands. And what's even crazy is we getting bathing suits, but we the aunties. We don't have no kids. I'm trying to figure out why the parents ain't buy their kids no bathing suits. What about this one right here? That one cute. I don't like that. That little metallic one. I don't like that. I'm wearing a bathing suit I already got. That's family appropriate. Girl, not if your booty hanging out, it ain't.
My booty always hanging out. It ain't nothing I can do about that. And I know you ain't talking because your ass is wide too.
Whatever. Wait, I thought that was for Leah down.
I was gonna put them back.
Why? What's wrong with it?
They 14, I'm 10.
But they like LOL.
I don't care.
Why these kids live in
Sorry.
Miami. This how you know we don't go to the beach. We don't go to the beach. Who them for? Them ugly. Let's go over there. I just found Darnell outfit.
No, she did not.
Yes, I did. These ones right here look nice.
Yeah, I couldn't get to them. They was in my fucking way. 10, 12. 10, 12.
10, 12. What's 10, 12? The time? Oh, 10, 12, the size.
The slowest dog.
Okay. Wait, you got him a shirt? Or he can just wear a white t-shirt and a white shirt? This Walmart jumping like the club.
Man, they finna start telling everybody to bring their front. You could lollygag and walk up.
Our Walmarts in North Carolina be closed at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, I want my clothes at 10.
Might as well.
Might
Everything closed early. Don't nobody be on the streets. Bruh. Y'all, that thing is stinging. It's 10:50.
I hate the fact that all of them came to Miami. They need to take their ass back home.
Who?
Spring breakers.
That's every year.
I know. But I never came in.
This Walmart closed at 11.
Says he's got to call the airport police. And the airport police are only open.
Never come to Miami during spring break.
Yeah, at least you know. That is for sure.
Never. Especially if you live here. Just go somewhere during the week. During the month of March.
Because you're going to have a bunch of ignorance.
It's always chaotic.
Porn.
Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. Dirty says, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my stack up. Tired of to my page trying to track up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby girl, I ain't fighting with no random period. Real issues serious, I let him take the now he acting all delirious. Did a dash in a row, but I can space the furious. You see my
What's up, y'all? So today is March 18th. We are having a family day at the beach right now. It's about noon. It is hot out here. The sun is at its peak, baby. I am sweating. I wore this bathing suit and this scarf because, baby, my leave out is not going to stand a chance today. And I kind of walked away from my family just because they have music and stuff going. But we're having a family day at the beach, memorializing my grandmother's death as well as celebrating one of my little cousin's birthdays. So we got a section at the beach this morning. We woke up like super early, maybe like 7 a.m. to secure a spot on the beach because during this time it's spring break. So if you know anything about Miami, spring break is just like a chaotic time. Like the beach is always packed, so we had to really come out here like super early to secure a spot so we can have a grill and bring our food and things like that. And we don't really even come to the beach like that, and especially on spring break, like if you're from Miami, you don't come to the beach during spring break just because it's like so many people. But the beach that we came to is not as packed. We're on 81st and Collins. I mean, it's a part of South Beach, but it's not actually like categorized as South Beach. So that is the plan for today.
We got cocktailers.
Not bring the hot plate to the beach.
That's a whole stove.
That's a stove, baby. Title. Yes.
See the stove on? It's a stove. It ain't no hot plate. It's a stove. Keisha, everything you want to show me.
Finna stuff my face, okay? We don't got these in North Carolina, baby.
All of y'all? What the fuck?
What? We came out here to eat.
Man, you don't need all that, man. Let me get this. All that I'm giving is for the Dominique.
What?
Dominique pass.
You don't know? Y'all gonna get me in trouble. It's candy. It's candy. It's candy. What's wrong with y'all kids?
I'm trying to. Keep holding me back.
Get up there, boy.
Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe
You was off. 3, 2, 1.
Hey y'all, it is March 19th. We are at the park celebrating my sister's mother-in-law's birthday. She turned 78 today, so we are at the park under a, I guess that's like a pavilion. Got everybody out here, so that is the plan for today. It is about to rain. I had to put my hair in a ponytail because she looked a mess. She gonna have to come out, so yep.
Stop playing with him, Ryan. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Now let's keep it a beam. Wanna be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. When niggas that's toting the beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass me like that on me. Baddest about you, should've me. If you ain't a bad.
Take a picture. Oh, look at her. She put her deuces up. Okay, sis. I'm gonna send that to your daddy. You look just like Terrence, bro. Who that? That's you?
Draco, let me think.
Not his name Draco. That is so. What is this? Your dog play with him? These are things that was on holes. Locomotive Dragon, huh? That's what that is. Oh my freaking gosh. This is your pet?
Yeah.
That's great. Where you got that from?
That's some Florida stuff. That's some Florida stuff right there. Miami.
No, you can see me. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Wait. Why you just gotta? I can flip this back. I can flip this back. Yeah, you can flip it. Wait, just look the other way. Wait, let me just touch it and see how it feels first.
It's rough.
Brad, you wanna go get us some more tips?
Don't drop that. Oh, he'll crawl up my arm.
Yeah, call it in your head.
Oh, heck no. Brad, look.
Oh, he scared us, so I don't even call his name. Yeah, right there like lizard.
Oh my goodness. Wait, Damien.
Hey, it wasn't.
So what? Wait, Avia, what they eat?
Oh, in the car.
Grass.
Worms. Flies, like you run like a.
All right, I'm finna get him back, cause.
What he eat, Avia? Grass?
Huh, Rat?
You?
Huh, Rat?
I don't want that. Listen,
Don't even put it by him. For real, for real.
I'm telling you,
Good morning, you guys. Today is March 20th. It is officially the last day of the trip. Everybody's going home today but me. I leave tomorrow, but we are going to eat breakfast this morning or have brunch this morning at a restaurant. I've never been here before, but my brother is taking us to this restaurant to have brunch. It's been fairly a chill trip. We didn't do much of anything. We've just been catching up with our family members, to be honest. Don't interrupt me. We didn't do much of anything when we came down here. Like, we just really been chilling at the house and catching up with people that we have not seen in a very long time, which is what we're supposed to be doing, if I'm being honest. Like, this is home. This is not technically a vacation, but whatever. I had fun. I don't know about her, but I had fun. I've been having fun. So it's 60 degrees outside. It's pretty windy. It's pretty cold. It's 13. The wind is at 13 miles per hour. So I got my hair in this like little claw clip, because the leave out, this gonna have to come out. I want to be a sew-in girl so bad, and I don't think it's gonna work out for me. I need to heat train my hair. We are starving. I know I'm hungry.
You thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. To my body, I get what I want. Like, to my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You with my body, you telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring, cause shorty a fan. Damn, gotta stick to the plan. He mad as I won't give him a chance. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways.
See the police over here giving me a ticket. I don't give a f. We still gon' party. See y'all later. All right, love you.
Chief out of flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here through fly the sky. Heard me, it's Ash ready to turn my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zeus and she.
Hey y'all, so it is Tuesday, March the 21st. Today's my last day in Miami, and I'm about to get ready to leave. We're at Lime getting margaritas and food. This trip went by kind of quick. 5 days. It don't even feel like I was here. I don't even feel like I was here that long. Y'all gonna miss me? I'm ready to get away from y'all. No, I'm playing.
Vice versa.
Girl, please.
Vice versa, Keisha.
Y'all ready for me to go?
Vice versa.
You know, you can only be around them for so long. After a couple days, that's it.
Start yelling and screaming.
That's it.
You only took one day before you started yelling.
Yeah, because they had done pissed me off.
Yes, yelling and screaming the very second day? No, the first day, I think.
Oh my gosh.
It's like as strong as it used to be.
They used to be real strong.
Yeah.
What's the other place called that was right there on that corner that they done moved?
Yeah. After Limes left.
Right, it was another place, and they used to have the big straws.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. What the name of that was?
But it was kind of like lime.
Let me ask you.
Ash, bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zeus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassy. Came out the gutter, ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, got a merchant, she good. Perk of 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud up.
Well, y'all, we're about to eat our food. I'm going to just close out the vlog right here. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Why you interrupting me? Look, now you done got me stuttering. I'm going to just end the vlog right here. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see y'all in my next freaking upload.
My eye just changed. It just was the front end. Thank God you